Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga Temple, Ujjain. The most famous temple in Ujjain is the Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva and one of the 12 most sacred Jyotirlingas in India. It is known for its unique Bhasma Arati ritual, where the deity is offered ash, and for its significance as a representation of the Lord of Time. The significance of this Jyotirlinga temple is that it is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas considered as the most sacred abodes of Lord Shiva. It is unique as the only one of the 12 that is considered Swayambhu, that is, self manifested. Lord Shiva is worshipped here in the form of Mahakaleshwar, the Lord of Time. The temple is famous for its Bhasma Arati, a daily ritual where the deity is covered in ash, symbolizing the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It is believed to be the center of time and a significant pilgrimage site for devotees of Lord Shiva. The Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga is unique because it is the only one of the 12 that faces south. Mahakal is considered powerful because it is a guardian of time and the lord of death, a fierce form of Shiva that grants liberation from the cycle of death and rebirth. The Ujjain temple's unique characteristics, such as the self manifested lingam and the southern orientation, are said to imbue it with immense energy. Worship is also believed to help overcome fear of death and provide protection from untimely death. Mahakal's presence is said to burn away everything, leading to liberation from the physical world and the cycle of rebirth. The name Mahakal means the death of death, and he is believed to destroy death and untimely death for his devotees. As one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the lingam at the Mahakaleshwar temple is considered self manifested and inherently powerful, not created through ritual. A significant ritual involves adorning the deity with sacred ash from a cremation ground, that is Bhasma Arati, a practice that reinforces Mahakal's association with death and liberation. Legends suggest that Lord Shiva himself chose to reside in the form of Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga, lingam of light, at Ujjain to bless his devotees. The lingam is known as Swayambhu, which means self-manifested, underscoring its divine nature. When visiting the Mahakaleshwar temple, you can experience a profound spiritual atmosphere, participate in rituals like the daily Bhasma Arti, offering of sacred ash, and take in the temple's ancient architecture and energy. The visit offers opportunities for spiritual cleansing and a powerful connection with Lord Shiva, potentially leading to a feeling of blessedness, spiritual upliftment, and even liberation from the cycle of karma and fear of death. While the temple offers efficient organization for smooth darshan, it can get crowded, so consider special darshan options for a hassle-free experience. In Tamil Shaivism, Kannappa is venerated for his devotion, and his story is documented in the Periya Puranam, a 12th century Tamil hagiography of the 63 Nayanars. Kannappa is portrayed along with other devotees in the 1,000-pillar corridor of the Meenakshi temple in Madurai. In Mahakaleshwar temple, several items are not allowed, including revealing or sleeveless clothing, leather bags, wallets or belts, and phones and cameras. Additionally, specific activities like touching the Jyotirlinga during certain rituals are restricted. Mahakaleshwar temple is not just a place of worship, but also a site of unexplained mystical energy. Many devotees and even scientists have reported feeling a strong magnetic presence within the sanctum, affecting both the mind and the body. Many devotees believe that Mahakaleshwar's blessings have the ability to change the course of one's life, whether it was pure coincidence or divine will remains a mystery, but the temple continues to attract leaders, celebrities, and devotees who seek spiritual guidance and success in their endeavors. The temple has been long associated with divine and supernatural occurrences, but one particular incident left both devotees and security personnel in awe. A mysterious figure was reportedly captured on CCTV footage worshipping the Jyotirlinga late at night. Despite efforts to debunk the footage, no logical explanation has been found, adding to the temple's long list of unexplained mysteries. According to legend, Lord Shiva, as Mahakal, governs time and death. The Bhasma Arati is believed to be an offering to Mahakal in his most powerful and fierce form. It is said that in ancient times the ashes were directly collected from cremation grounds, reinforcing Shiva's association with the cremation field. However, due to modern regulations, the practice has changed, and now the ashes are prepared using cow dung and tree bark to maintain the ritual's sanctity. One of the most intriguing beliefs associated with the Aarti is that Lord Shiva himself appears during the ritual to bless his devotees. According to an ancient legend, Ujjain was once under the attack of a powerful demon named Dushana, who sought to destroy righteousness. The people of the city, including King Chandrasena, were ardent devotees of Lord Shiva and prayed to him for protection. In response to their devotion, Shiva appeared in his fierce Mahakal form, defeating the demon and restoring peace in the land. After the battle, the people of Ujjain requested Shiva to stay in the city forever as the guardian and protector. Granting their wish, Shiva manifested himself as a Jyotirlinga but in a unique south facing direction. It is believed that this southward orientation is significant because Shiva, in this Mahakal form, assumes the role of the ultimate destroyer of evil and the controller of time. By facing south, Mahakaleshwar keeps death and misfortune at bay for his devotees, ensuring their well being and granting them moksha, that is, liberation from the cycle of rebirth. To this day, the downward facing linga remains an enduring mystery, reinforcing the belief that Mahakaleshwar is not just a deity but a cosmic force beyond human comprehension. Apart from its many mysteries, Mahakaleshwar temple holds immense spiritual significance due to its unique features. It's not only one of the 12 Jyotirlingas but also a Shakti Peeth, making it a rare and powerful confluence of Shiva and Shakti. According to legend, when Sati's body was cut into pieces by Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra, different parts of her body fell across the Indian subcontinent, forming Shakti Peethas. Sacred sites of divine feminine energy, Mahakaleshwar is believed to be one such Shakti Peeth where the upper lip of goddess Sati is said to have fallen. This makes the temple a center of both Shiva's supreme power and goddess Shakti's divine presence, drawing both Shivites and Shaktas for worship. These extraordinary elements further enhance the temple's mystical aura, making Mahakaleshwar a place where devotees experience the union of divine energy, time, and eternity. Mahakaleshwar temple is more than just a place of worship. It is a gateway to the mystical and the divine. From the self-manifested Jyotirlinga to the spine-chilling Bhasma Arati, every ritual and legend surrounding this temple deepens its aura of mystery. The strange energy fields, supernatural sightings, and unexpected events make Mahakaleshwar a place where faith transcends logic. Despite numerous attempts to explain these mystical through science, the temple remains an enigma beyond human understanding. For devotees, Mahakal is not just a deity, but the eternal ruler of time and destiny, whose presence is felt every corner of this sacred shrine.